Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech hassles into simple, doable steps. Today's video is all about how to change your PIN on a Schlage door lock 2025. If you've got one of these smart locks, you know how crucial it is to keep your security codes fresh, whether you're handing over keys to a house sitter or just boosting your home's protection. This process is straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're starting with a fully charged lock or fresh batteries to avoid any interruptions. To begin, locate the keypad on your Schlage door lock. You'll need your current programming code. Don't worry if you forgot it, it's usually in your user manual or initial setup email. Step 1. Enter your current programming code on the keypad. This is the master code that grants access to the settings. Once entered, press the Schlage button or the programming button, depending on your model. You'll hear a beep or see a light indicating you're in programming mode. Keep an eye out for that. Next, for step 2, enter your new 4 to 8-digit PIN. Make it something memorable but secure, like a mix of numbers from a special date. After inputting the new PIN, press the Schlage button again to confirm. The lock should beep twice to let you know it's saved. Don't forget step 3. Test your new PIN right away. Go ahead and try locking and unlocking the door to ensure everything works smoothly. If it doesn't, double-check that you followed the steps correctly or refer to the Schlage app for troubleshooting. A quick tip. If your 2025 model is connected to Wi-Fi, you might also update the PIN through the mobile app for even easier management. This feature adds an extra layer of convenience, especially if you're not physically at the door. And there you have it. Changing your PIN is that simple. By keeping your codes updated, you're taking a smart step toward better home security. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.